Hey guys, welcome to Rob Reviews, where Rob reviews. So today I want to do a sound demo on my brand new Schecter Omen Elite 6. This bad boy ran me about 500 Freedom dollars. As you can see, it's pretty nice. Don't put it in rice. And we still got the tag apparently. Now, as everyone knows, the tone is in the tag. If you got no tag, you got no tone. Trademark it. So, this is what it sounds like. All right, guys, that was it. That was the tone, the demo. Thanks for watching. I don't know what else you want from me. That's what guitars sound like. I shouldn't be on my phone, but thank you for watching. Bye.